Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Well, today I'm here solo to style up Masai. Hello ladies and welcome. Oh my, what a powerhouse week we are having here at Lousje and Bean. Boris coats, oh my god, were they ever stunning. The unboxing yesterday, me and Lousje were going nuts. It's like Christmas in here, as we say, whenever we're unboxing. It's just such a great feeling because we've curated these outfits for you lovelies, and I sort of wanted to steal the spotlight today to style up all these beautiful outfits for you. I'm going to do 4 changes. And I don't want to say one's better than the other because they're all smashing. But I'm just joking. Lousje's just taking the day off. And I'm here to take on the styling of Masai.
So here is a twist in today's video. I've already filmed the video. This is the next day actually. And after I filmed the video, we had a box delivered, one little tiny box from Masai. And it consists of these beautiful purses that I purchased. And I remembered purchasing them, but as you know, like it's 6 months behind. So when they showed up and I saw them, I was like, oh my God, yes, I totally forgot. So we filmed the unboxing. I did it with Lousje the other day. And then last night I did the style video, which I'm going to show you right after I show you these beautiful bags because you wouldn't have saw them yesterday in the unboxing. So quickly, well, this is the beautiful dress, which you'll see me style up a little bit later, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Pockets, everything. It feels amazing. And I want to show you these beautiful purses. Lousje's going to lose it because they are so beautiful. They are a nice little crossbody, and look at how great this color goes with this dress as well. So I just wanted to give you a little twirl there and show you how cool that looks. There is an adjustable strap here that you can play with. You can make it shorter if you like, and it can become a little shoulder purse there, but I'm just going to show you a bit of the details in this gorgeous purse. There is a black one as well. Super cool fabric, kind of like a windbreaker almost fabric, and it's got this cool design on it, and it's got pocket in the front, which is great, especially for travel. You can have it to your body there, and then you can tuck all your important stuff in there. So really cool snap here. I think I'm going to show you from this color here because it might be easier, but super cool snap here, and then another zipper with an inner part, and then you can also use the outside and the inside here. So it's very fashionable, but also very practical. And like I said, great for travel. And it's just hugging the body here. It's got a little fill in here, so it's nice and padded, but it feels amazing. And then, so those are the 2 in that size. And then we did a big travel size. So this is like a little bit bigger. I mean, it could be a gym bag too, ladies, don't forget. But look at how beautiful that is. Got lots of room in there, and a zipper on the outside here for some little things, your phone, whatever you like. And then there we go. And it's just a great purse. Love it. I can't wait to see what Lousje says about these because she hasn't seen them yet because we got the box after. Sometimes like, it's so crazy here. Things are coming and going, and we're always trying to organize everything best as we can for you lovelies. Sometimes things like this just happen. So also another thing that came in the box was one top that we had ordered. The same as the stripe we unboxed yesterday, the scoop stripe, but this is like a dolman sleeve stripe. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, this fabric is like bar none. It feels like butter, but I'll show you a picture here of me wearing it just so you can see, because it won't be in the style up video here, but I don't want to keep you too long because there's a whole video ahead of me styling up the beautiful collection that we unboxed yesterday. I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so let's start with this beautiful outfit. This sweater is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the hang of it, ladies. It fits to perfection. There is 3 sizes, I believe: extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, extra, extra large. And it also comes in this gorgeous gray with the black dots. It was really tricky for me to pick, but I went with the navy. I'm loving this dot brown. It's a lighter brown, bronzy color, and I thought it would look fabulous with the black skirt. But I'll show you a picture of this with a pair of jeans and just giving you a totally different look and way to wear it. But this is like a no-brainer, really. The fabric, if you feel it, you know, it's really beautiful. The sleeve is different too, which gives that texture. I love that. It's nice and fitted here, long sleeves, nice for the winter. You can definitely roll them up and they're not bulky at all. Look at how fabulous that drapes, and it feels wonderful. So the skirt here, this is a viscose with some nylon. And I believe the nylon is the underpiece here, ladies. It's got a little bit of stretch in it, and then there's the elastic bubble around the bottom to give that effect. I'm just going to pull it up here so you can see the lines. It's got some great style detail there, and it's got a little crunch texture in the fabric, which me and Lousje go nuts about. It just adds such a great feel to the skirt and look, and it really elevates it to another level. I find I love texture in fabrics, and this one feels wonderful, and it's light too. So once it gets cooler out, I definitely would put a legging underneath, and it's going to be wonderful. You can also wear this throughout the spring, I'm sure, because it's so light. It's perfect now for the fall. Pockets, pockets, pockets. You know how much we love our pockets. But in the boutique here, since we've been dropping our fall winter collections, these bubble skirts are not lasting long at all. I know there was a beautiful one from Nome that is almost sold out, and a few others. We love this bubble look. It's such a great look. I would definitely tuck this. I don't want to lose one of the polka dots in tucking, but that is also a great look right there. And my jewelry, I find it's a tricky one because it's such a beautiful neckline, and with the dots, it kind of is the simplicity at its best. But I did find this majestic that I thought would be smashing with it. It's got this bronze disc in here, a wood bead, and then this grain, which is really cool. So I picked a Ziska, which is actually on the Ziska sale rack, ladies. We have some Ziska that's on sale now, and this just kind of picks up all the colors of the outfit. And then I picked these guys too. These are also from the Ziska sale section. You should take a peek because we have some beautiful items that are from past collections, but it's just sort of matching this guy as well. So I thought that picks it up. So there's that look and that sweater, and I'm just going to change quickly and I'll be right back. All right, ladies, here I am back with the striped shirt and the cardi, which is just a great cover here in black. Beautiful fabric, nice and light. And this top, oh my goodness, Lousje almost lost it when it came out of the box. This is so up her alley. She loves the stripes, black and white, white and black, which I think this is more of an ivory actually, but we always, when in doubt, you add red with it. This is actually sort of an orangey red that I picked again out of the Ziska sale section. It's interesting, whenever we style our videos here, we're so spoiled because we get to walk around the store and pick, what we think is going to work. And honestly, we curate all these pieces for you, and we try to pick out what we feel, how we would want to wear it, what looks best with it. But me and Lousje are always with black and white stripes. Red is a no-brainer. It is such a beautiful look. It's so classy. So this is a bit of an orangey red with the gray. This is the gunmetal gray, absolutely beautiful. This necklace is quite stunning. You can play with it with the length as well. With the Ziska here, you can always pull the two strings and have it shorter or longer. And then the earrings here I have are the studs. Love these, light as a feather. Again, gunmetal gray with the red on the bottom, and then a cute little bracelet to match. So if you like this set, check it out in the Ziska sales section because it is on there. And then I always have my Joanna Love It ring on, as you know. And yeah, this is great. I paired it up with the skirt again. I just wanted to show you that look. It's absolutely fabulous. Curated outfit, no brainer. So I'm going to show you though a picture with jeans with this as well. Here's a picture. Also nice to know you can dress it down a little. I don't even feel like I'm dressed up right now. This is pretty much how we dress daily. So ladies, for sizing, the skirt is a size small, the top is a size small, and it's made out of beautiful European viscose fabric, absolutely gorgeous. And this is actually a size large I chose. It's hanging a bit in the arms here, but I just wanted a bit of room, so I chose that one. I will be right back with the next outfit. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Woo! It feels amazing. This dress, tunic, I guess I'm going to call it a tunic. It's a beautiful voile, sort of satiny fabric here on the bottom. But I was going to try and wear it without anything underneath, but it's just a titch, not see-through, but I feel better with something on. So I put on the Up Gaucho. Oh my goodness, ladies. These are unbelievable. This is a size 8 that I have on, and they feel fabulous. This is a beautiful techno fabric. I love that cropped look there. And then in the winter, we can wear some booties. And right now I have my little Mary Janes with the heel on, but this top is fabulous. I think I ordered one for myself. But I paired it up with the Ziska Bubbling Pearls necklace. It's very long and elongates it and just gives it a classy pop. I have on the pearl earrings to match, and then the 2 bangle gold bracelet, and then the balls. Beautiful, classy look. I think it looks fabulous. But I'm going to show you a picture here. First of all, here is with this striped shirt under the dress. So you can see on the top, it peeks out here and it peeks out in the sleeves. Absolutely fabulous look, and then layering up in the colder weather. And then here's a picture with the jeans. So again, you can totally play with these items and pair them with jeans, or, you know, sort of a little bit dressier in this sense, but it feels fabulous. I bet you the skirt would look pretty cool too. I'm actually going to okay, so these are the last 2 pieces, as you saw yesterday, that we unboxed. This chunky sweater is fabulous, and look at the color. It is, oh my God, it's so beautiful. It's such a warm, beautiful look, and just a nice chunky sweater. The sewnmanship of it is beautiful. They have cross-grain ribbon in here, very well made, and it just feels fabulous. But look at how cute that is with this look as well. I also have a look here with just the cardigan with that striped shirt, and you can see how cute that looks with the jeans. That striped shirt, ladies, it is a winner chicken dinner. I used to say that on the tennis court all the time. It is like gonna be so great in your wardrobe if you love the black and white stripes. Me and Lousje are such a sucker for them, but that's such a great look. So I'll be right back with the dress and we'll show you the last look. All right, ladies, I am back with this gorgeous dress. It feels light as a feather and it is absolutely stunning. The colors are beautiful. It's got this great print. It's sort of a bronzy color in there with some navy and some blues. It's absolutely beautiful. And the design of this dress, we went into great detail with it yesterday, but it's got a cute little slit here. It's got a great little cutout detail here with the little strip at the top. So beautiful. And then at the back, very feminine there, again, with the little ball hook that you could take off. But it's a beautiful dress. This could go miles in your wardrobe. This can last 4 seasons, I would say. The fabric is very light, and I'm going to show you a picture here. I have it on with the pants, with the gaucho pants from Up. So that's a totally different look. Amazing. You could also wear leggings, of course. In the wintertime, you're going to want to, you know, have some warmth, then put some leggings on. And then I got this sweater just to pair up, because we are all about curating outfits for you here at Lousje Bean, so you don't even have to think about it. So we paired up the color and the cut. It's perfect. It is very sweet. It looks amazing. You just have an outfit that's put together for you. I kept the pearl earrings on. I thought that was a nice fresh pop. And of course I could have the gold bracelets on. I did take them off, but I just want to show you here the sleeve, how beautiful and feminine that is, how they come in, and it's like a little bell. It's not very exaggerated at all. It's very subdued, but it's just a beautiful design, that how they've done that. And then of course you can button it up, but I think it's really cute left open. I didn't put a necklace on because I don't think you want to interfere with this beautiful style detail in this dress, but it's absolutely fabulous. This fabric is very similar to the known fabric that we have in our dresses and our tunics. So if you own one of those, ladies, that's it. It's got a little crinkle texture in it. And again, it's like flowy and light and beautiful. So here's a picture with the gaucho pants in from Up, with the dress and the cardigan. Great look, and it just covers you a little more, but it's beautiful. So the cardigan was the large, ladies. I had the bigger one on. I probably could have went down in size, but I actually just grabbed it and it fit fine, so it was good. But the small skirt, small, and then the dot sweater, I had extra small for what I was wearing to show you. So there you go. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. We love to hear your feedback. And watch out tomorrow, me and Lousje, we have our Friday favorites. Watch out to see what we're going to be wearing and what we're up to. All right, ladies, thank you so much. Have an amazing day. We'll see you next time.